this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Strong Finish, and that is by Jonathan Nelson in the key of E flat. And guys, this song was requested by none other than me. And we all know that the only time I request songs is if we hit a milestone. Did we? Yes, we did. We have reached 2,000 subscribers. Let's give ourselves a hand for the 2,000. And to kick things off, I gotta show you what I'm working with, right? Guys, I'm working with my alkaline water on today. I have my alkaline, what's that, 9.5 pH. This is really good for you. I would love it if you can go to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with your favorite instructor, and I mean your favorite instructor in the whole wide world, me, AKM today. Alright guys, let's get it. We're in the key of E flat. E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and E flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. We have the great Jonathan Nelson in the building. He have decided to come through and bless us with this awesome song. And we're going to do our norm, right? We're going to crack our knuckles, stretch them out. And I think we're ready. Let's receive Jonathan Nelson and Purpose. That was Strong Finish by Jonathan Nelson. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So the song starts off with let me give you that. So we're starting out on the 3, and we're playing this nice E flat 7 chord in our right hand. We're going to the 4, and we're playing an A flat 7 chord. Then we're going to our 6 flat, and we're playing this F diminished 7 chord. And then we're going to our 6, and then we're playing our E flat 7 chord. Now they're doing this line. That's just a B flat, C, E flat, and then we're going 7, we're playing a B flat major chord, 1, we're playing an E flat major chord. Alright, what was that? We went 6, E flat major chord, going to the 2, regular A flat major chord, then we're playing a 7 and we're playing our B flat major chord, ending on our E flat major chord. All right, now to start the song, they're just playing simple chords, guys. Very simple chords. We're going. All right, let me give you that. So we're on the 2, and we're playing our A flat sus chord, going to the 3. And we're playing our E flat 2 chord. Then we're going to our 4. We're playing an A flat 7 chord, going to our 5, and we're playing a B flat 2 chord. And then we just start over. And we do that a few times. Dun, 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 dun. Now right here they go right here. Let me give you that. 5 flat, and we're playing our C minor chord. Going to our 7, and we're playing a G flat 7 flat 5. Resolving on our 3, regular B flat major chord. There we go. Let me give you that walk up. So all we're doing is we're on a 7 flat. We're playing an F minor, going to our 1, and now we're playing a G minor chord. We're just walking right up. We're playing our 2, and we're playing this A flat 6 chord. Same chord in our right hand, A flat 6 chord, and we're playing our 4 in our bass. And then we're going to our E flat 2 chord on the 3. So now we're on strong finish, right? So strong finish, strong faith. Let me give you that. We're on our 3. We're playing an E flat 2 chord. Going to our 4. We're playing an A flat 7 chord. Guys, really the same recycled chords. Then we're going to our B flat 2 chord on the 5. Strong faith. We're playing our 7. We're playing a B flat 2 chord, ending on our E flat major chord on the 1. So you do that 4 times. Strong finish, strong faith. Basically, we just went back to the beginning, right? All right. And all that was we're on a 3. We're playing our E flat major chord, going to our 6 E flat major chord, inverted. We're going to our 2, regular A flat major chord. Strong faith. That's just a 7. We're playing our B flat 2 chord, ending on our E flat major chord on the 1. So our next part is strong finish, strong finish, strong finish, right? All right, let me give you that. All we're doing is we're playing an E flat 7 chord, and then we're playing an A flat 7 chord. Right there on the A flat 7 chord, we're just spelling out an A flat major chord in our left hand. So 4, 1, 6. Then we go. Right there, we're playing an F diminished 7, resolving with our E flat 7 chord. And then we go. We're just spelling out a C minor chord. That's 6, 1, 3. Next, we do it again. So that second time through, instead of spelling out an A flat major chord, we're just spelling out 4, 5, 6. And then we go. All that is just a 7, regular B flat major chord, going to a 1, our E flat major chord. Now there is one section of the song where there's a solo the musicians are playing, right? So all we're doing is we're going. All right, let me give you all that. So we're playing this E flat 7 chord, going to our A flat 7 on the 4. We're going to our 6 flat. We're playing an F diminished 7. Right there, we're playing a 6, and we're playing our E flat 7 chord. Now we're doing the same thing as the beginning, right? This is where it changes. So we're playing this line. 5, 6, 1, 7. We're playing our B flat major chord, going to our 1, regular E flat major chord, going to our 6, E flat major chord. Here's the change right here. Right here, we're playing our A7 flat 5, beautiful chord. All right. I got to give you this big chord, right? Grab it. We're on the 5, and we're playing this B minor chord. And then we're going to our 1, and we're playing a C minor chord. All right, so after we do all that, right, we go, God promise he'll be with me through every step that I take in this race. Let me give you all of that. So we're on the 6, right? We're kind of going into that with our E flat major, and we're resolving on our B flat major on the 6. Going to our C minor, still on the 6. And you know, in the left hand, they're kind of just bouncing that right there. Right. Going to our 7, regular B flat major chord. Going to our 1, E flat major chord. Through every step. So all that is we're playing a 7, but we're playing our B flat 2 chord, going to our 7 flat. All right, and right there on the 7 flat, we're playing this A flat 6 chord that I take. All right, what is that? We're going to 7 flat. That's the F minor chord, regular E flat major chord on the 1, going to our 2, and we're playing this D flat 7 chord. We're just walking up, going to our 5. That's a 3, E flat major chord, going up to our A flat 6 chord on the 4, resolving on our 5. That's a C minor 7 chord. I'm just hitting 2 chords. That's our B flat major chord, going to our A flat major chord, going right back to our B flat major chord. Now for the modulation, let me give you that. So we're on our 5, we're playing our D minor 7, going to our 3, C major chord, going to our 4, regular B flat major chord, going to our 5, we're playing a B flat 7 chord, walking down, and we're playing this nice chord here, going to our 3, and that's the D flat 7 flat 5 chord. And guys, we're going to call that a lesson. I hope this was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is you are enough. As a kid, I was a standout baseball player, always on the all-star team, even drafted by other playoff teams. I was used to winning. But in high school, everything changed. I didn't make varsity. I barely played JV. The spotlight faded, and I mean faded quickly. And so did my confidence. I ended up quitting, wondering if all those early wins even mattered. That question haunted me. What if I had pushed through? Years later, I faced a new challenge, starting a YouTube channel. The doubts came back, but this time I didn't quit. I kept going. I learned that anything worth having takes grit. Don't fold under pressure. Fight for what matters. So what if they didn't accept you? Accept yourself. You are enough. You don't need to have it all figured out. And you don't need to be perfect. Everything you need to succeed is already inside of you. You are more than equipped to face the challenges ahead. Keep showing up, keep growing, and trust you've got what it takes. Awesome job. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in and joining me on today. I pray that you guys have gotten something from this lesson. And thank you so much for sharing this awesome information with your friends and your loved ones. I hope that you continue to share. Meet me over at Facebook. That's Numerical Melodies on Facebook, and that's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play, and hopefully you do as well. And request a song for me to play. Of course, that's viewers' request. You give me a song to play and I play it for you. Of course, viewers' request. But guys, Numerical Melodies on Facebook. Check it out. Guys, we have a bell. Hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you, and right next to that bell is a subscribe button. They tell me that it takes 3 seconds. I believe it. I want you to believe it. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit the subscribe and you just hit the bell. Guys, you just made my day. This is Numerical Melodies. You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.